In this video, I'm about to show you the top 5 untapped use cases for NotebookLM. NotebookLM offers several untapped use cases that can enhance various business functions. First, it can transform employee onboarding by creating interactive AI-driven training modules. This allows new hires to learn at their own pace while ensuring they receive consistent, engaging training. Next, NotebookLM can streamline complex research and development documentation, making it easier to organize and access critical information. Additionally, it can create dynamic sales enablement resources, providing sales teams with up-to-date materials tailored to specific customer needs. Furthermore, NotebookLM can accelerate market research and competitive analysis, helping businesses gather and analyze data faster to stay ahead of competitors. It also aids in enhancing strategic planning and decision-making by consolidating data and presenting it in an easily digestible format. For client-facing teams, it can be used to develop comprehensive client proposals and reports, saving time and ensuring consistency. NotebookLM can also build technical documentation libraries, making it easier for teams to find and use technical resources. Moreover, it can streamline regulatory compliance and policy management by organizing relevant documents and ensuring teams follow necessary procedures. NotebookLM optimizes customer support operations by creating centralized knowledge bases and improving response times and customer satisfaction. Lastly, it enhances project management and collaboration by offering a platform to track progress, assign tasks, and manage team communication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.